kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading for love or romantic situation. Just take what resonates for you and wag ipilit itugma kung hindi para sa inyo. Maraming salamat, Leo. Please like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell for updates from this channel. Let's see kung ano yung energy mo and your person about love and romantic situation. For Leo, please. Anong energy ng person mo towards you? Leo. Okay. Okay. The Tower. Okay. Okay. So, balance and harmony is what you want, no? Parang yun yung kulang sa relationship or sa connection. Leo, with this person, okay? Maybe you have a strong feeling, no? Towards this person. Merong flirtations, okay? Your person is attractive. Maybe you are dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Air sign, Libra, okay, an earth sign, and yeah, Sagittarius, earth sign, Capricorn, okay. Yeah, for some of you, Leo, you are dreaming about this person. You like the person, okay? But you don't want conflict, no? Ayaw mo ng gulo. Or this person is ayaw niya ng conflict or gulo. Merong, is this betrayal or third party involved in the situation? This is something na for your person, para sa kanya parang hindi to healthy or hindi to tama, okay? Okay. You want, parang gusto mo yung magandang connection with this person, no? Gusto mo makipag-communicate, you are excited to see this person, Leo. Okay? You want to win his or her heart. You want to, yeah, gusto mo maging successful yung connection na to. Gusto mong mapalapit sa kanya. You are showing that you are warm person, no? Yung matulungin, supportive, and kind to this person, okay? Yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you are dealing with a soulmate. Okay? Tingnan natin kung ano to. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you want validation if the person feels the same way, no? With you. No? Yung iba sa inyo, you want, parang gusto mong, you want to make it official, no? Yeah, you are showing efforts towards this person. Showing support, no? You are being kind to them. Okay? So, you need to balance your emotion. For your person, this is not right. Something is wrong. This is unhealthy or toxic. Okay? And your person doesn't want conflict or gulo, something like that. Okay? But yung person mo is naiisip ka din actually. Attracted din siya sa inyo. Okay? Let's see. Ano tong Ace of Wands for Leo, please? Ace of Wands. Bakit may Ace of Wands? Yeah, Eight of Cups. Parang moving away yung person mo. Kahit na attracted yung person mo sa inyo, Leo, there is something in him or in her na walking away, no? Na parang lumalayo siya. Okay? Six of Swords. Ano to? Six of Swords. Yeah. Yeah, Nine of Swords. This is something na parang pinoproblema to ng person na to. Okay? Yung situation ninyong dalawa. Merong sleepless nights or nag-expect siya ng mga or nag-iisip ng hindi maganda, no? About the situation. Yung person na to. Parang nagwo-worry. Okay? Merong anxiety sa person mo. Okay. Seven of Swords. Right, Seven of Swords. Yeah. Because para sa person mo, sa taong ito, let's see, tingnan natin. Seven of Swords. The Emperor. Okay. Institution. Companies. Okay. Yeah, maybe for your person this is not right, no? Or hindi to tama, maybe in the company. Pentacles. Yeah. Yeah, because if this person will allow this kind of connection or relationship, something is parang para sa kanya this is already betrayal, no? Betrayal or deception, no? Maybe your person has a partner already, okay? An Emperor. Okay. Yeah. Parang hindi tama. Okay. Parang magugulo ang stability ng person mo if ever i-pursue niya ang relationship or connection na to. So your person is worried or thinking about this. That's why he or she is walking away. Although attracted siya sa inyo, Leo. Alright? Yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano tong the Tower. Four of Cups. Yeah. Tower. Yeah. Siguro yung person mo ayaw, gusto niya i-break yung ganitong connection by not speaking at all, by not doing anything at all, no? Parang merong silent treatment. Okay? Oh. Okay. Just take what resonates for you, Leo. Baka, ayan, baka yung person mo is maybe you are offering something, you are showing parang nagpapakita ka sa kanya, Leo, na gusto mo siya, and then your person doesn't want it, something like that, because for him or her it's not proper. Okay? Because of the Emperor. Yeah. Maybe Leo, you are this Emperor, no? Maybe you are someone na may mataas na katungkulan sa trabaho or sa isang company. Queen of Pentacles, ano to? For Leo. Ay, dalawa. Ano to? Merong unhealthy. Okay. Yeah, so the Tower and then the Devil. Your behavior, it's not, kumbaga, parang hindi tama na ginagawa mo ito, Leo, for this person, okay? Although you are showing him or her ng kindness, okay? You are being warm to this person, but, you know, maybe meron kang hindi magandang agenda, or maybe this is because of due to lust, something like that, or this is something unhealthy, okay? Or, Leo, you are showing person, parang nagpapakita ka ng kindness, no? Or magandang treatment sa tao na to, para itong person na to ay hindi mag-isip ng negative about you. Okay? Yeah. Gusto mo i-break yung ganong mentality sa person mo, na yung ginagawa mo is not evil or hindi maganda or hindi what I call this, parang wala kang masamang intention sa person na to. Okay? Page of Wands, let's see, ano to? Spirit, please. Message, please. Page of Wands. Justice. Yeah. You want to do the right thing, Leo, sa person na to. Gusto mo express or sabihin yun sa kanya. Okay? You want this person to be close to you, no? You are just doing what is right for this person. Okay? Six of Cups. Five of Pentacles. Okay. Yeah. Parang ayaw mo person, no? Parang gusto mo bigyan ka ng attention ng person na to because you feel you are left out in the cold kung hindi ka pinapansin ng taong ito, no? Gusto mo maging close ka sa kanya or siya. Okay? Maybe, yeah. Ayaw mo na parang ini-ignore mo siya. Or ini-ignore ka niya, sorry. So, Leo, it's like ayaw mo na ini-ignore ka ng person na to. Gusto mo makipag-close sa tao na to, Leo. Okay, you want to make things right with him or her. No? In fact, gusto mo makipag-communicate sa kanya. You are showing him or her good things. Okay? You want to do the right thing. Ayaw mo mag-isip siya ng hindi maganda. No? Sa ginagawa mo sa kanya. Okay? Six of Wands. Let's see, ano to? Yeah, you are showing kindness to him or her. Okay? And ayaw mo na mabigyan nyo ng wrong impression. Okay? Four of Swords. Okay. So, you are thinking, yeah, parang naisip mo talaga yung person na to, Leo. Gusto mo talaga na maging successful sa kanya, yung connection ninyong dalawa. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, you're thinking about expressing, no? you're thinking about expressing yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya, sa person na to. Okay? It's like yung iba naman is you want to make it official. Something like that with this person. So, it's up to you. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon, Leo. But these are the energy, no? Na umiikot sa inyo. The Temperance, let's see. Queen of Wands. Okay. Yeah, so Leo, kung ano man yung nararamdaman mo sa person na to, yeah, you are attracted to this person. Maybe kailangan mong balansehin yun, yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. You have to temper how you feel about this person. Kasi parang gusto mo yung confidence ng tao na to, no? This person is smart. Maybe this person is a good-looking person. Okay? You admire this person. And I think kung ano man yung hindi naman balak, no? I-temper mo lang din yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Okay? Balance. Because this person is also ayaw ng gulo ng person na to. And this person feels na hindi to tama, no? Sa inyong connection. Hindi tama ang connection na to sa inyong dalawa, okay? Because there is an emperor, this is a company, okay? Or this is someone, no? Maybe this is a boss, or maybe you, Leo, ikaw to, maybe you are a boss and it's not proper to have a connection, a good, or connection with this person, no? Okay, na something, kasi merong attraction. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, you will show, no, to this person, no? You will continue to show to this person yung kindness, no, and support sa tao na to. Okay? Yeah. Parang gagawa ka ng mga positive na effort towards this person. Okay? Okay. So, Leo, these are the energies and the messages for you. Just take what resonates. Minsan, baliktad yung situation. Okay? So, all the best and thank you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!